Hi dear students, this particular class I want to discuss a few questions based on functional equations. So actually this part is there in the functions chapter also, even though once again I will try to discuss the questions based on functional equation. See, this is the first question. F is a polynomial function of degree n. F of x is a polynomial function of degree n, and it satisfies the relation given by f of x plus f of 1 by x is equals to f of x into f of 1 by x. Take it as a standard results. I'll try to discuss how we are getting this one. If f of x is a polynomial of degree n satisfying this functional equation, f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. Then we can write f of x is equals to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Okay, we'll discuss how we are getting this function. So I am taking this one as a plus b is equals to a into b. A plus b is equals to a into b. Now shift to that side. We can write ab minus a minus b, right? So plus 1 is equals to 1. Shifted to that side, both sides 1 added. Now here if you take a common, we will get b minus 1. Minus 1 common, we will get b minus 1 is equals to 1. So we are getting a minus 1 into b minus 1 is equals to 1. What is a? A is nothing but f of x minus 1, and b is nothing but f of 1 by x minus 1. These two multiplication we are getting 1. But he is saying f of x is a polynomial of degree n, and these two multiplication we are getting 1. Here x means here there must be reciprocal. Here function means that function reciprocal. Multiplication we are getting 1. That's why there is no alternative. Either this is equal to x power n, then automatically this will be 1 by x power n. Then only these two multiplication you will get 1. Otherwise, if you are taking this one as a minus of x power n means the other one, because it is also a polynomial of degree n, then other one we have to take minus 1 by x to the power of n. So from this we can say f of x minus 1 is equals to either x power n or minus x power n. So that's why we can write f of x minus 1 is equals to plus or minus x to the power of n. So from this we can write f of x is equals to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. So the functional equation satisfies this condition, then that function is f of x is equal to 1 plus x to the power of n or 1 minus x to the power of n. So this is another question based on this particular idea. The question is given like this. The question is given as g of x is a polynomial satisfying g of x into g of y is equals to g of x plus g of y plus g of xy minus 2 for all x comma y, and also given g of 2 is given as 5. Then he is asking to find the value of g of 3. So just based on that information, g of x into g of 1 by x is equal to g of x plus g of 1 by x plus g of 1 minus 2. So that idea. So that's why what we are observing here, y is replaced with 1 by x. So certain part of the functional equation which we discussed earlier we are getting. Y is replaced with 1 by x, we are getting part of the earlier functional equation. But here becomes 1, g of 1. But what is g of 1 we don't know. Okay, first of all we will try to find out the value of g of 1. Okay, put x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. Sir, why you are substituting y is equals to 2? Because in the function given, g of 2 value is given as a 5. So wherever g of 2 appears, we can write 5. So that's why put x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. That above equation changes as g of 1, let us say k, g of 2 is equals to 5, g of 1 k, g of 2 it is given as a 5, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2 we are substituting, so that's why it becomes a 3. Agree or not? G of 2 is equals to 5, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So from this we are getting 4k is equals to 8. Therefore the value of k is equals to 2. What is k? K is nothing but g of 1 value is equals to 2 we got. G of 1 value we got 2. Now replace y with 1 by x. The functional equation. The given functional equation changes as g of x into g of 1 by x is equals to g of x plus g of 1 by x plus g of 1 minus 2, because g of 1 is equals to we got a 2, so that's why gets cancelled. We got the functional equation g of x into g of 1 by x is equal to g of x plus g of 1 by x. So what we can take the function? Yes, the function immediately we can take g of x is equals to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. But the information is given in the question, g of 2 is equals to 5 given, which is nothing but 1 plus 2 square. G of 2 is equal to 5, which is nothing but 1 plus 2 square, because g of x is a polynomial. So that's why I can write the function g of x as 1 plus x square only possible, right? G of x is equal to 1 plus x square, then only you will get 5. Now he is asking g of 3 value. Comfortably we can find out 1 plus 3 square, that is equals to 10. That is the value of g of 3. So that is about the applications related to the functional equations. So another question is given like this. This is a very simple idea. 2 into f of x minus 3 into f of 1 by x is equals to x. Then he is asking to find the function. That means we have to find out f of x. So here 1 by x is there. What I am doing, observe here. X replaced with 1 by x. X replaced with 1 by x, what happens here? This is 2 times f of 1 by x minus 3 times f of x is equals to 1 by x. Wherever x is there, in place of x I written 1 by x. Okay. So from these two equations, if you eliminate f of 1 by x, we will get the function f of x, right? Okay. We will try to eliminate. So first equation we multiply with 2, then we will get 4 times f of x minus 6 times f of 1 by x is equals to 2x. First equation multiplied with 2. Now second equation multiply with 3. So that's why you will get 6 times f of 1 by x. We are multiplying with 3. So that's why minus 9 times f of x is equal to, we are multiplying with 3. That's why you will get 3 by x. Now these two addition, f of 1 by x eliminated. So we are getting minus 5 times f of x is equals to 2x plus 3 by x. So from this I can write f of x is equals to minus 1 by 5 into 2x plus 3 by x. So that is the function we got, right? So similar type of question, one more. F of x plus 2 times f of 1 minus x is given as x square plus 2. F of x plus 2 times f of 1 minus x is given as x square plus 2. So here we have to find out f of x. Now we have to eliminate 1 minus x. So come on, x is replaced with 1 minus x, then you will get f of 1 minus x plus 2 times f of x. X is replaced with 1 minus x. Wherever x is there, x place is replaced by 1 minus x. So that's why 1 minus of 1 minus x, that is the reason we got x. So is equals to 1 minus x whole square plus 2. Right? So from these two equations, again the same, we have to eliminate f of 1 minus x, then only you will get f of x. Okay, first equation, second equation we are multiplying with the 2. Then what happens? 4 times f of x, second equation we are multiplying with the 2. So 4 times f of x, right? Plus 2 times f of 1 minus x is equals to, second equation we are multiplying with the 2. So that's why 4 plus 2 into 1 minus x whole square. Right? Now these are the two equations. Subtract these two equations. 4 times minus 1 times, you will get 3 times f of x. These two gets cancelled. Therefore we are getting 4 plus 2 plus 2 into x square plus 1 minus 2x minus x square minus 2. So that simplification is x square, because 2x square minus x square, you will get x square minus 4x plus 4. So that is nothing but x minus 2 whole square. Therefore we are getting f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square divided by 3. So this is another question. This is the question from the assignment which I provided to you. So this is 2 times f of sin x plus f of cos x is equals to x for all x. Then he is asking the set of points of where the function is not differentiable. The points we have to find out where this function is not differentiable. So here also the same procedure. Now x is replaced with 90 minus x, so that one term we can eliminate. Though this changes as 2 into f of cos x plus f of sin x is equals to 90 minus x. X is replaced with 90 minus x. Now what to do? So this equation we multiply with 2. Then we will get 4 times f of sin x multiplying with the 2. So that's why 2 times f of cos x is equals to 2x. Right? Now this equation we are writing it as it is. 2 times f of cos x plus f of sin x is equals to pi by 2 minus x. Now subtract these two equations. F of cos x eliminated. Now we can write this one as 3 times f of sin x is equals to 3x minus pi by 2. So therefore we are getting f of sin x is equals to x minus pi by 6. That is f of sin x. But we required f of x. So what I am doing, observe here. I am replacing with sin x by y. Then we can write x is equal to sin inverse of y. Whenever we are replacing sin x with y means x is replaced with sin inverse y. So the question changes as f of y is equals to sin inverse of y minus pi by 6. Therefore, I can write f of x as sin inverse x minus pi by 6. Okay, we got the function. We got the function. But what is asking? Where the function is not differentiable. Okay, you know the differentiation of this. F dash of x is equal to sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Where this differentiation does not exist? Yes, when x is equals to 1 and when x is equal to minus 1, differentiation does not exist. At 1 and minus 1, differentiation does not exist. That's why this function is not differentiable at x is equal to plus or minus 1. So that is the beauty in knowing about the functional equations. Right. So the another question they have given in this way, x square into f of x, the same model which we discussed earlier also, f of 1 minus x is equals to 2x minus x to the power of 4. Then he is asking to find the value of f of 3. Same, eliminate f of 1 minus x, you will get the function f of x. If you got the function f of x means obviously we can find out f of 3 value. But wait, so we can do this particular problem in a comfortable way also, like this. Now x is replaced with the 3. If you replace x with the 3, what happens? Tell me. 9 times f of 3 plus f of minus 2, x is replaced with 3 is equal to 6 minus 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81. So we got the function as 9 times f of 3 plus f of minus 2 is equals to minus 75. That is the information we got. Now what to do? We got that information, but we required f of 3 value. So what to do now? Yes, you can check. If x, because we have to eliminate this minus 2. F of minus 2 we have to eliminate. That's why again we have to bring the term f of minus 2. So now x is replaced with minus 2. X is replaced with minus 2. What happens? 4 times f of minus 2 plus x is replaced with minus 2. We will get f of 3 is equals to x is replaced with minus 2. We will get minus 4 minus 16. Right? So here we are getting f of 3, right, plus 4 times f of minus 2 is equals to minus 20. What to do now? This equation multiply with 4. Then what happens? 36 into f of 3 plus 4 times f of minus 2 is equals to, we are multiplying with 4, that's why we will get minus 300. Now what to do? Subtract. These two subtraction, we will get 35 into f of 3 is equals to minus 280. Right? So therefore, we are getting the value of f of 3 is equals to minus 280 divided by 35. So you can cancel this one. So I think 5 times, right? 8 5s 40, 8 3s are 24. Yes, we are getting minus 8 times. Oh, we got f of 3 value. Directly f of 3 value. Because he is not asking in the question f of x. So f of 3 value directly we got. The same. If x is replaced with 1 minus x, eliminate 1 minus x. Why I am not finding f of x here? You see this simplification. In place of x we have to write 1 minus x, then it becomes 1 minus x whole to the power of 4. That's why better to approach directly what he is asking. Okay. So that is about the another question. So this is the one more question. F of x square plus x plus 3 plus 2 times f of x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 6x square minus 10x plus 17. Then he is asking what about the function f of x. Whether you observed or not, f of some quadratic, again f of quadratic, we are getting a quadratic again. Function f of a quadratic plus f of quadratic, again we are getting a quadratic, means which is possible only when that function must be a linear. So that's why f of x must be in the form of ax plus b, then only it is possible to get again a quadratic. So that's why now f of x square plus x plus 3 means what happens? A into x square plus x plus 3 plus b plus 2 times, what happens here? F of x square minus 3x plus 5 means a into x square minus 3x plus 5 plus b is equals to 6x square minus 10x plus 17. Now comfortably you can proceed. Tell me what is x square coefficient here a. Here x square coefficient is 2a. That's why 2a plus a 3a. X square coefficient is 3a. Right hand side the coefficient of x square is equal to 6. So we got the value of a is equals to 2. Next, what is the constant left hand side? Because a, b values required for us. Constant is equals to 3a plus b is the constant here. Here the constant is 10a plus 2b is the constant, but right hand side the constant is 17. Now a value we got already 2, so 13 2s are 26. That's why 3b plus 26 is equals to 17. Therefore we are getting 3b is equals to minus 9. The value of b is equal to minus 3. So we got the value of a and b. So we can say the function as f of x is equals to 2x minus 3 is our required function. So that is the basic point you have to catch. F of a quadratic plus f of a quadratic is equal to again a quadratic means that function must be a linear. Right. So this is another question they have given like this. It is related to the differentiation also. F of x plus y is equals to f of x into f of y, and f of x is given as 1 plus x into g of x into g capital G of x, where he has given limit x tends to 0, g of x is given as a, and limit x tends to 0, capital G of x is given as b. Then he is asking to find f dash of x. He is asking what about f dash of x. So the options are given in terms of a, b and f of x. This is the answer given. Right? This is also one of the student expressed this one as a doubt. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, and f of x is equal to 1 plus x into g of x and g capital X. Okay, what he is asking? He is asking f dash of x, right? So how to proceed? He is asking f dash of x, then how to proceed? So minimum funda required, that is what is f dash of x. I hope so everyone know first year most of the differentiation formulas we derived with the help of this one only. F dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So this we are going to use. So here in place of f of x plus h we can write f of x into f of h. This functional equation we can use. Now the question changes as f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h can be written as f of x into f of h minus f of x divided by h. Now if you take f of x common, and we can write outside the limit also because the limit depends on h. So limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 1 divided by h. Now you can observe there, that is equals to f of x into limit h tends to 0. Tell me what we can write. F of h minus 1. F of h minus 1 we can write it as h into g of h into g capital H divided by h. I hope so everyone followed. And here f of x minus 1 is equal to x into g of x into capital G of x. Now f of h minus 1 is equal to h into g of h capital G of h. So the problem over. So h cancel. Limit h tends to 0. G of h is given as a. Limit h tends to 0. Capital G of h is given as a b. So we are getting the answer as ab into f of x. Right? So that is the another question is also based on the functional equations. So right, this is the another question, one more. F r to r function is defined from real numbers to real number, is a differentiable function, and also given the functional equation as f of x plus 2y is equals to f of x plus f of 2y plus 4 times xy for all x comma y belongs to r. Then in the options they are given like this: f dash of 0 is equals to f dash of 1 minus 2. All the options they are given in a relationship between f dash of 0 and f dash of 1. Between f dash of 0 and f dash of 1 relation given. Okay, right. So we required a relationship between f dash of 0 and f dash of 1. Okay, it is a functional equation. So x and y both are independent variables here, whether you observed or not. If I am giving x value, y value will be like that only. Or if you are giving y value, x value will be like that only. So that's why x and y are independent variables. What I am doing here is differentiate both sides with respect to one variable. So one variable we are differentiating means the other one we can take it as a constant. Come on, differentiate this one. F dash of x plus 2y into inner function differentiation 1 is equals to f dash of x, it is a constant differentiation 0 plus 4y. Right? So now what I am doing is, in place of x we are substituting 0, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1 by 2. Why I am substituting like that? The reason is x is equal to 0, then there is f dash of 0 for us. Y is equal to 1 by 2, what happens? Here 2 into 1 by 2 cancel 1 plus 0, that's why f dash of 1. So we are getting a relationship between what he is asking, right? X is equal to 0 and y is equals to 1 by 2, substitute here. Then we are getting f dash of 1 is equals to f dash of 0 plus, in place of y we are substituting 1 by 2, so we got plus 2. So that's all. He is asking f dash of 0 is equals to. So we got the answer as f dash of 1 minus 2. So this is the another question they have given like this: f of x by y is equals to f of x divided by f of y for all x comma y not equals to 0. Yes, y value not equal to 0 given. Yes, y value not equal to 0. And also given that f of y not equals to 0, f dash of 1 is equals to 2. Then he is asking f dash of x. What is f dash of x? So options are given in this way: 2 times f of x divided by x, or f of x by x, or x by f of x. Like that the options are given. Okay, whatever it may be, we require to find f dash of x. Okay, how to find out f dash of x? And we no doubt we have to use this functional relation. So what is f dash of x? According to the first principle, f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Right? Now I am taking f of x common. Sir, why you are taking f of x common? We have to use this relation. But here x plus h is there, but here x by y is there. At least we will observe from this side. f of x by f of y is there. If we got f of x by f of y, then there is a scope of applying this functional equation. That's why I am taking f of x common. So if you take f of x common, f of x into limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h divided by f of x minus 1 whole divided by h. Check now, we can apply this functional equation or not. F of x by f of y, we can write f of x by y. F of x by f of y, we can write f of x by y. So that's why we can write this one as f of x into limit h tends to 0. We can write this one as f of x plus h divided by x minus 1 divided by h. So now what to do with 1? What to do with this 1? Okay. This can be written as f of x into limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h by x, x by x becomes 1, 1 plus h by x minus 1 divided by, here also I am writing h by x, multiplying with x. Okay, because h tends to 0 means obviously h by x also tends to 0, because f dash of one value given. First of all, tell me what is f dash of 1. F dash of 1 is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. So here some extra things are there, no issue. By x, here also by x, we can write outside also x. So we can write this one as f dash of 1. That means what is our target? This 1, we have to get f of 1. Okay, how to get f of 1 is equals to 1. So again come back to our original data. How to get f of 1 is equals to 1. F of 1 value we have to get 1. Right. We will see f of 1 is equals to 1. How it is possible? So we have to get f of 1 value. That's why what I am doing, observe there. F of 1. So x is equals to same, in place of y I am substituting 1. F of x is equals to f of x divided by f of 1. In place of y I substituted 1. Right? Now you can see. So this is equals to f of x into f of 1 minus f of x is equals to 0. If you take f of x common, then we will get f of 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. This product is equal to 0 means either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. But this is not equal to 0. F of x not equal to 0. F of y not equal to 0 means f of x also not equal to 0. Y is replaced with x. So f of x not equal to 0. That's why the only one possibility is f of 1 must be equal to 1. That's why in place of this 1 we can write f of 1. Then this is nothing but f dash of 1. So we got this is equals to f of x into f dash of 1. Right? But what is f dash of 1? This particular portion we will get f dash of 1. Right? So that's why f of x into f dash of 1 by x is there. Very good. Now in place of f dash of 1 what we can write? Given in the question as 2. That's why we are getting the answer as 2 times f of x divided by x. So that is about what he is asking in the question, right? So these are the few problems discussion on functional equations. Okay, bye bye.